sweets, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys had a beautiful Thanksgiving. I sure was truly blessed for Thanksgiving. Thankful for everything that the Lord has given me, that he will continue to give me. You got to live right, you got to do right, and you will see your blessings. So I had a beautiful Thanksgiving. I hope you guys did too. Now let's get into what you are here for, honey. So today we got some more Kalyss drip. It's been a minute since I done a braided unit. So I saw this. I got it about a month ago, but I'm just now getting around to doing a review on it. If you are new and you just clicked on this thumbnail, go ahead and think about subscribing at the link below. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. For my sweets that's been rocking with me, I thank you guys so much. I'm blessed for having you on my channel. Thank you for supporting me. And we gonna hop right in to this video. And so here is our Kalyss packaging. We're gonna see what's in this beauty. We're gonna open her up. I was really excited about getting this one because I've been looking around on their site for some time, trying to find some other braided units that I like, and most of their stuff has been out of stock. I don't know what's up with them lately, but this cute little unit, I was like, oh, I got to try her. So here is the top of the unit. Very good as usual. They always come through. Inside of the cap, we got two combs in here. Then we have the comb in the back, and then it also has the adjustable straps right here. Let's see about the stretchability. Oh yeah, stretch is very good on this unit. And this is how she is looking from the top to the bottom. And of course she is long. We'll get into the details a little bit later, but I do have her in the color number 1. So yes. And then she does have those pretty baby hairs, as you can see from there. And I love the weaving on the top of it. I think the pattern is very sexy, very cute. So let's just pop her on and see what we're working with. Oh, before I pop her on, I'm gonna take these little things up out of there. All right, let's see what we work. I'll leave some comments below and let me know. I'm gonna lift this up a little bit. But she's cute. She is giving yes. All right, so I'm gonna stand up for y'all. She comes a little bit under my boobs. So turn to the back. She got caught up in my little earring now. A little side view. Cool. Comes down past my butt. Well, she cute. Cute. Okay. All right, so let's get this lace off and let's tint her, and then let's see what she's working with. Okay. So I am gonna go in and use some of my tint spray. Although this looks like it's already colored to my skin, I'm just gonna add a little bit more just to make sure that things blend in. So I'm gonna do that, then I'm gonna cut this lace off. And here is my tint spray, and everything will be linked in the description box. So I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna come back. So I'm gonna tint it just a little bit. See, you don't even really need this tint. It's already tinted. But I'm just gonna lightly do a little, like, you know, it's been either worn or it was not braided very good. So just be mindful of that. But we'll be back. All right, sweets, we're back. So let's get right into the details of this little unit, and I give you my pros and cons. And at the end, we're gonna say if it's a slay or nay. Ha! All right, let's hop into it. So I've been getting all of my stuff off of Amazon. If I want a Kalyss wig, I would get it off of Amazon because most of the time their stuff is on Amazon Prime. I would suggest you don't get it out of AliExpress or their personal site, just because it's been looking a little shady, and because when I do order off the AliExpress, it always say that the item shipped and I gotta go and dispute, and it's always a problem, okay? So I'm trying to save you guys some headache before you be like, oh, they're on AliExpress. Oh, these wigs is cute. Yeah. Soon as you pay and give them that money, just saying, but just a note. But anywho, this came off of Kalyss. This came off their Amazon site for Kalyss. And if you don't, like right now, they say they have one in stock. So if you want it, you better hop on there and get it, okay? Because I have been waiting for this to come in stock for like weeks, okay? Months, okay? So it's been a minute. And if you are new to my site, Kalyss wigs do not have names. So you don't have no Ramona, a Tay-Tay, Sway-Tay, okay? You got to give her your own name. They don't name their wigs, but they do like the length. So this is the Kalyss 30-inch realistic 13x7 lace parting hand braided synthetic lace wig, okay? That's kind of their names that they give them. So like I said, this is in a natural like 1B black, as they say. See what they say about this wig. So they say it's 100% Kanekalon fiber. It's a ultra Swiss soft lace. You can do a cold water set. It says it's a lightweight braiding hair. It is very lightweight. It's very good on the head. Natural edges with baby hairs. The edges are pretty good. You know, I'm not a baby hair girl, so I mostly cut all of that off, okay? I don't have time for all of them baby hairs, okay? Now, these sides over here, like I was saying before, this is gonna like annoy me because I feel like it makes the wig look off. This side looks a little bit better, but girl, pros and cons, okay, y'all? And it says ear to ear soft Swiss lace. The lace is very soft, so I don't have any cons about it. It has a flexible mesh cap with combs and adjustable straps for a comfortable, secure fit. Now, I will tell you that the combs, the placement of the combs, not using them, honey. The comb in the back and the adjustable straps, that's what I'm using to keep this on my head. The combs up here are not doing nothing. You can barely get to them once you put the unit on. So again, bad placements on the combs. But says 13x7 lace parting, premium synthetic wig. Then it gives some like washing instructions and stuff like that. But she's really cute. I really do like her with some things that I wish they would kind of change. My first con is, of course, the way this is looking. And I tried to show you guys the top of this. It was so frayed, okay? It's like, you know, the wig has been used or something, but it was all packaged new. All the packaging is new. It's like when I get a wig and I can clearly see that it's been used and it wasn't packaged right. It's like this one was packaged as it was new, as I would get my other ones, but it's like it's not braided right here. It was very frayed up here, so I had to cut a lot of this down to make it look good. It's like the back of it is not braided properly because a lot of it is coming loose. I don't like that part about it. So I'm just like, I don't like the placement of the combs. But like besides all of those things, the wig is fire if they would kind of make some adjustments. You see what I'm saying? Because I love the top. I love the way that they got that braided. And then it was already my skin tone, okay? So it's like, even though I put a little bit of spray up there, it's like I really didn't need it. But you know, I just put a little bit up there just in case. I love the little side detail. It's really pretty. Like I said, I wish, this is gonna bug me. You know, I love the length on it. I love that it's very soft. It's very lightweight. They always come through with, you know, they wigs like that. So you know, those are some things that I love, some pros about the wig that I love. But, you know, just need a little bit of adjustment. But, you know, to each his own, y'all. But the wig is cute, but just need a little bit of adjustment. So y'all know what we do here. Is it a slay or nay? Comment below. Ha! Talk to a sister. Let a sister know what y'all thinking about this cute little drip. I'll probably even wear her on my little Zoom calls on Monday, okay? I'm gonna be busy and running around, so I might wear this on my little Zoom calls because this is cute. Dress it up and or dress it down, but you know, to each his own. So I'll leave all the links below in the description box. Like I said, right now there's one available. So if you want her, y'all run and go get her, okay? And until next time, my sweets, follow me on my handle below here on Instagram, on Facebook. Let me know in the comments below how you are feeling this unit. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.